Welcome to PC Error Detective. In today's video, we'll show you how to edit a PDF document in Google Docs step by step. If you find this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Step 1. Open your Google Drive and right-click on any empty space within the Drive window. Step 2. From the menu, click on File Upload and choose the PDF file you want to edit from your computer. Step 3. Once the file has been uploaded, locate it in your drive. Right-click on the file, hover over Open With, and select Google Docs. Step 4. Wait for the PDF to fully load in Google Docs. This might take a few seconds or minutes depending on the file size and your internet speed. Step 5. Once the document opens, click on the PDF content to select it. Then press Enter or Return if you're using a Mac to start editing the text. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.